and
Ang taba ako mag-review.
Mr. Chairman,
So kung gusto niyo tumulong sa review, you're welcome. Kung gusto mo pag-debate, doon tayo sa labas.
if I may
Yes,
proceed.
please.
Kasi parang kanina nabanggit ho yung computation. I just ask you, Sec Sadain, magkano ho ba yung budgetary cost estimate ng DPWH sa core and shell?
So while you're looking, we recognize Senator Nancy and she's welcome to ask questions.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Even if I'm not a member, but I heard na nagsabi naman po kayo at the beginning of the hearing na I am more than welcome to attend. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, the Mayawa for phase 1 is 8.9.
Okay,
And
and then
The
8.9 po yun, di ba? So 8.9.
That's for the
And then sa
Para lang tayo klaro 8.9 including variation orders. If you exclude the variation
but
orders,
this question,
It's
Mr.
the-
Chairman, is the
PC.
budgetary cost estimate.
Yes, including. Kasi when they estimated it first, wala pang variation order. It was only 8.1.
budgetary
No, but
cost
the awarded kasi is 8.06.
8.06 is the award.
But the budgetary cost estimate is
is
8.9.
8.9.
No,
So,
that was
talking
no,
about-
you're talking about the ABC. Ang nanalo
ABC.
was 8.06.
So
Yes.
the 8.9 is the budgetary cost estimate. There's a difference to the actual amount awarded. There's a difference din sa budgetary cost estimate. At meron ding difference pag pinasok na yung variation order. But what I'm interested right now is how much is the budgetary cost estimate?
It's 8.9 billion for the budgetary cost estimate. The ABC is 8.5. And the
Yun
award,
lang po. Tapos, dumagkano ho yung budgetary cost for the fit out? Estimate. Budgetary cost estimate.
ilan? So it's 2.5.
And for the works to complete, what is the, ano yung budgetary cost estimate?
For the work to complete, it's 7.359 billion pesos.
Eh, meron ba kayong calculator? Pwede ho paki-total. $18.7 billion. Tama po ba? So tama po na on your documentation, there's no such thing as 23 billion for DPWH. So I think yung Saksadain, hindi niyo po kailangan mag-apologize. Because wala
Ito
naman,
yung presentation nila. Nandyan yung 21.7 billion. If you add the land cost, it's 23 billion.
but
This was
we're
submitted
talking-
by them.
But we're talking about, may documentation ba kayo tungkol dun sa land cost? Dumadaan ba sa inyo yung pera ng land
No.
cost?
Senator Nancy, ang present
Mr.
niya...
Chairman,
No.
what we're
let's-
talking about, building.
Yeah,
Hindi yung
please,
trabaho.
Ma'am, let's calm down so that we can get the numbers right. I showed the video na ang sinasabi niya 5.7, which
No,
mismong yung
Mr.
dokumento
Chairman, even if dun sa document na hawak mo, there's no 23 billion.
21.7 billion and then 23. You're reacting to what Senator Escudero said na 23, which was submitted to us by the SCT, which were all your staff, and which I released to the media. And you've been going around saying mali numbers namin. So kung mali, correct it. Pero ang nagbigay ng numbers sa amin, staff mo, and you've been going around telling people, saan ba namin nanggaling? Eh, nanggaling nga sa staff mo. So anong problema?
Mr. Chairman, ang tinatanong ko, per documentation ng DPWH,
Ito documentation nila,
is that 23
21.7.
billion? Is that 23 billion?
21.7 plus 3. hindi DPWH ang sinabmit ko sa media at hindi yun ang sinabi ni Senator Escudero.
Actually,
Ang sinabi ni Senator Escudero galing sa SCT na mga staff mo.
Madam,
So what's the issue?
actually, Chairman, parang nagkakamali ho ata kayo dun sa presentation
What's the
nyo
issue?
dun sa Phase 3. Sa records nyo ba, it's 10 billion?
Records
Well, your
records
answer
to
to
ng
me-
SCT, Senator Binay, that was given to me by the SCT. Who are your staff?
Wait,
So what's
Mr.
the
Chairman,
problem? No, ma'am, ginugulo mo yung hearing eh. Wala namang kailangan magulo. Yan ang sinabmit sa akin. So kung sasabihin mo mali, edi ano yung tamang number?
Mr.
Yan
Chairman,
po ang sinabmit sa akin,
diba,
galing ng
ang
staff mo.
pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung
Yung tot-
side ng DPWH.
Yes, and ang
So-
pinag-uusapan namin ni Sec Sadain, yung sinabi niyang 5.7 na 7 point something pala.
In the proper context. Kasi to be fair to DPWH,
Mali nga talaga sinabi niya, hindi 5.7. It
Yeah,
was
but
7
you
point
asked
something.
them to apologize for the 23
No,
billion.
you're
When,
mali yung pakinig mo.
when,
I asked them to apologize for saying it's 5.7 when in fact it was 7 point
Mr.
something.
Chairman, you're,
No, listen to
can
me
we
first.
just go back?
Listen to me first.
Magkano yung total?
Listen to me first, Senator
Ako-
Nancy. I'm still the chair.
Chairman.
No, ang problema sa iyo, you keep going around saying, gusto ko makausap si Alan, gusto ko makausap si Cheese. Nagkita pa tayo sa party, may cellphone, hindi mo naman kami kinakausap, tapos manggugulo ka ngayon sa hearing. Let me continue. I told Sec na pinapalabas na walang 23B.
Because there's no
because he
23B.
total, ayan yung
There's a
23B, oh. Ayan ang 23B. Ayan ang 23B na submitted ng SCT na
Yeah.
staff mo, na ikaw nagsabi sa akin na wag kong tanggalin, na
Mr.
ituloy
Chairman,
ko. So what's the issue?
Anong sinabi nyo?
Oh.
Ang cost ng pagpapatayo ng building ay 23B.
Ang sabi ni
When-
Senator Escudero, so far, ang total cost ng pagkakaroon ng bagong building ay nasa 23 na.
That is
At
not,
yun po ang binigay sa akin ng SCT na kasama dyan ang cost ng land. So ano ang issue? Wala naman issue. 23B talaga sinabmit sa amin. If you want to tell me na mali lahat ng staff mo at may iba kang numbers, you're welcome to submit. But how can you argue with what they submitted to me? And how can we argue with what Senate President said? Then
you know,
yun.
because proper context, when yung nag-issue ng statement, ang statement nyo ay from the original core and
Ang taba ako mag-review.
Mr.
So kung
Chairman,
gusto niyo tumulong sa review, you're welcome. Kung gusto mo pagdebate, doon tayo sa labas.